Hello, my desktop publishing students. This is the annual commission calculation if statement question. It's assignment number 14. And so first of all, what we want to do is I've already opened up my file called XX Annual Commission Calculation 1, and make sure you open the one that says Calculation 1 because I made some changes in it. All right, and save it in your folder, save it in your if statements folder, and then you should be ready to go. So the first instruction says to us, use an if statement to calculate the commission. Assume that if all sales are over $100,000, then the employee will receive a commission of $1,500. Otherwise, place a 0 in the cell. All right, so we're going to go here to C5. We want to put in equals if, and we want to say if the sales, and it said more than, but it didn't say equal to, so more than 100,000, and remember, no dollar signs, no commas. All right, so if the sales are more than 100,000, then you get 1,500, and when it's a value, you don't use quotation marks, right? Comma, and otherwise you get 0. So put a 0 in, and that's so that you can calculate it too. All right, okay, so we got a 0 for the first person, which would be right, and grab your fill handle and drag down. Now, don't include the total because you know that's not part of the commission. That's just the total sales. All right, and save your work. Go Control S to save. And I won't do the formatting for the dollar signs till after because we've got more stuff to do. All right, so it says go to cell 16 and, or pardon me, B16, go to cell B16, and it says use a count if statement to count the number of employees who's had sales over 100,000. Okay, so we want to say equals count if. Open your parentheses, and it says what is the range you want to evaluate. The range I want to evaluate are the sales. And remember, only go down to 13, don't include the total, comma, and what's my criteria? My criteria is, quote, more than 100,000. Okay, quotation marks. And remember, why do you use the quotation marks? Because you have a character here, so therefore you've got to use quotation marks because Excel thinks it's text. All right, close your parentheses and press enter, and you should have had 3 employees who had sales over 100,000. All right, the next part says, what is the total? Use a sum if statement to sum all sales that are over 100,000. Okay, so we have to sum those sales now. So equals sum if. Open your parentheses. And what is the range that you want to evaluate? I want to evaluate the sales. B5 to B13, comma. What's my criteria? Same as before. Remember, quote, more than 100,000. And quotation marks, comma. And then it says, what is the sum range to sum? It's exactly the same, so select it. And it should say B5 to B13. That's right. Close your parentheses, press enter, and the total is 400,288. And if you add 112 and 112 and 175, that's, now watch this. I'm going to click here, I'm going to click here, and I'm going to click here. There's my 3 sales that are more than 100,000, right? So I go down to my calculator here, and what does it say? Sum 400,288. So therefore, you know you've got it right. All right, save your work. And now it says to us, add a column called bonus. So go here to D3, and let's type in the heading bonus. Okay, and press enter. And now it says to us, use an if statement to calculate a bonus for the employees if their annual sales exceed 100,000. The rate will be 1.5% of their total sales, otherwise they get 0. And it says reference the 1.5. So it doesn't matter to me where you put it, but you've got to put it somewhere and reference it, okay? So therefore, I'm going to go to A9 19, I'm going to type in bonus 1, and bonus 1 is 1.5%, so I will go to B19 and put in 1.5%. All right, so now I'm ready to go put my formula in. So I'm in cell D5, all right, so I want to say equals if, open my parentheses, if my sales are more than 100,000, oh, hold on here, is more than 100,000. If, now put my comma in, that's my condition. If my sales are more than 100,000, if that's true, I get a bonus of I get a bonus of 1.5%. So I take my sales times, and what do you have to remember? Your bonus has to be absolute, because everybody wants the same bonus. Otherwise, you get 0. All right, close your parentheses, press enter. Now grab your fill handle and drag down. And again, only down to 13, okay? Don't take the total. All right, so the 3 people who were over 100,000 got their 1.5% bonus. All right, so now save your work. Go Control S to save. And the next one asks us to add a column. Oh, I made a mistake here. This should have been bonus, not bonus 1. But anyways, that's okay. Now I'm going to drag this over, and this is going to be bonus 1. So I'll put a bonus 1 in here. And down here, I should have had only bonus, but I'll drag this down. And here I want bonus only, and here I want bonus 1. Okay, bonus 1 is 5%. So I'm going to put in my 5%. All right, this time for bonus 1, it says to you, use an if statement to calculate a bonus so that the sales exceed 150,000. Okay, an additional bonus of 5% of all sales over the 150,000 is added. Otherwise, 0. All right, so therefore we want to have equals if, open your parentheses, and this time we're saying if the sales, B5, is more than 150,000. Okay, so the value changed there, more than 150,000. If that's true, then you are going to get your sales minus your 150,000. All right, because you're only going to get your bonus on the amount that is over the 150,000. Then times your 5% absolute, because everybody wants the same bonus. Otherwise, you get 0. All right, close your parentheses and press enter. So no one got the bonus. And I think by looking at this, only one person should get a bonus. And that one person did, of 5%. All right, go Control S to save. Now we want our formatting on here. So first of all, I'm going to do this. I'm going to right click and I'm going to go to Format Cells and choose Accounting, and I'll go with the $sign and 2 decimal places. Now I'm going to take out all those $signs at this point. So right click and I'm going to go to Format Cells and Accounting with no $sign and say OK. All right, so you've got everything set up there. That's fine. And save your work. Go Control S to save. And now I don't know if it asked you, but I'll just check. If I said to add up, and it doesn't, but we'll do it anyways, okay? Add up all the bonuses. Remember, you would click here, hold down your Shift key, and click here, right? And you would go Alt equals. So now you have the total commission, total for bonus 1, total for the bonus, total for bonus 1. All right, go Control S to save, and we'll stop there.